Hello and good morning. How is everyone? You all done with breakfast? You should not escape breakfast, no matter what it is there in the menu, you should have it. Because early in the morning, it's very much important to fill your stomach. Otherwise, your health will get affected. So I hope you all must have taken your breakfast till now. Chalo, still people are joining, so I will wait for another 1 minute. Done. And after that, we will start with the question. Okay. Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I feel like now we should start. Okay. So, what we're going to do today, as I said yesterday, today in the class, we will be largely discussing questions from different concepts of current electricity. So, again, concept that we are going to cover will be Kirchhoff's law. We will find equivalent resistance. We will be using circuit shortcuts and all. We will see some questions from cells in series and parallel. And again, we will see some question from Wheatstone bridge also. Just a new addition here from yesterday. Okay. So now here is your very first question on the screen. Done. Take your 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. Read the question carefully first. Read the question very much carefully. After that, draw the diagram and solve it. Question is not difficult. You just need to understand it. Okay. And if you're finding it difficult to understand within 2 minutes, like after 30 seconds or something, you can ask me to explain. Okay. But first, you try to understand. Okay. This is your time now. Do it. Is there anyone having difficulty in understanding the question? Let me know if you're finding it difficult to interpret or to understand. Let me know, please. If you're doing it's okay. If you're not able to understand, let me know. Okay, your 2 minutes has already ended. I'm just waiting which message will first pop up in the chat box. Who is that? Let me know your answers if you have got. Anyone? Yes, I'm waiting for answers. Please let me know. Okay. I got one answer from Jenvi Dahod. Very good. Chalo, theek hai. Let me make you understand the question first. So what the question is, there is a metal wire of resistance 3 ohm. So you have a metal wire and its resistance is how much? 3 ohm. So this wire must have certain length and certain cross-sectional area. Done. So its resistance given is 3 ohm. Now what is happening? It is elongated. It is getting stressed basically to make a uniform wire of double its previous length. So if initially the wire was this, now what you're doing, you're stretching it. So if you're stretching something like this, what will happen if its length is increasing, its area of cross section will definitely decrease, right? If you are जैसे अगर ऐसा कुछ है, इसका area A है, if you're stretching it, what will happen? Length will increase, but area of cross section will decrease. Done. So and this will happen in such a way that their volume will remain always constant. Just remember this fact. Whenever you encounter any sort of question that says ki length is getting increased by this, or area of cross section is getting decreased or increased by certain amount, so वहां पे आपको लॉजिक क्या लगाना है? लॉजिक ये लगाना है कि यू हैव टू लाइक स्टे कीप इन योर हेड की वॉल्यूम क्या रहने वाला है? कांस्टेंट. So what will be the volume? Jenvi Jamnagar. Okay, very good. Let's see. So यहाँ पे volume क्या होगा? Constant. So V is constant. Whenever such question you encounter, just understand that volume will remain constant. Now, if volume is remaining constant, initially its resistance is 3 ohm. When its length is getting doubled, its area of cross section is also getting changed. How will its resistance change? Done. So resistance का formula, okay, आशिका देखते हैं, सबका ही आंसर अलग अलग आया है. So resistance का formula क्या होता है? Rho L by A. I also did such kind of question earlier. So rho into L into एक L से मैं multiply कर रही हूँ, with same L I'm dividing so that it won't have any effect on it. But it can be rewritten like rho L square by V. Done. Something like that. And if volume is remaining constant, it means radius is directly proportional to length ka square, right? And length is getting doubled. So sorry, not radius, yeah, that is resistance. So if length is getting doubled, resistance will become how many times? It will become 4 times. So new resistance will be how much? 12 ohm. So we have now a wire of resistance 12 ohm. Now what is happening to this wire? This new wire is now bent and ends joined to make a circle. If 2 points on this circle make an angle 60 degree at the center, सबसे पहले क्या हो रहा है कि we are bending this wire, molding this wire to form a circle. So it is making a circle. Now we are taking 2 points on the circle. So let's take 2 points on the circle. And we are taking 2 points on circle in such a way that these 2 points are forming how much angle at the center? 60 degree angle at the center. Done. This is the question. Now the equivalent resistance between these 2 points will be. तो यहाँ पे देख लो, इस पॉइंट को मैंने A मान लिया, B मान लिया. So we are asked कि RAB का वैल्यू क्या होगा? What will be R equivalent across A and B? Done. So wherever you have to calculate R equivalent across 2 points, what we do first, we connect a battery between these 2 points. है ना, सबसे सिंपल चीज ये करते हैं देखने के लिए कि whether fragments are in series or parallel. So if you're connecting a battery like this, current will come like this. Here, current at point A will get divided into two parts, है ना? One this and another this. Again, you can see that कि यहाँ पे across A and B अगर आप देखो तो ये wire को, circular wire को, it is dividing in two parts. First part is your this, and second part is your this larger one. And these two parts are maintained at same potential difference. आप देख लो दोनों ही पार्ट का एंड पॉइंट क्या है, ए से कनेक्टेड है और बी से कनेक्टेड है. सो दिस पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट have same potential difference across their ends. Done. So these two will be in series or parallel. These two will be in parallel. So they are in parallel. Now we have two resistors in parallel. So R equivalent will become what? Parallel of these two, parallel combination of these two. So our only task here is to calculate R1 and R2. So this whole circular wire has how much resistance? This whole circular wire has resistance of 12 ohm. Now the portion that is making an angle of 60 degree, that is 5/3 at the center, will have how much resistance? So देखो unitary method में तुम direct चले जाओ. Nothing else you need to do. Like if whole circle will make angle how much? 2 pi. So if it is making 2 pi angle, then it will have resistance how much? 12 ohm. So unit के लिए कितना होगा? 12 by 2 pi. Then pi/3 section will make will have how much resistance? 12 by 2 pi into pi/3. So how much you are going to get? You are going to get 3 ohm. So this R1 is 3 ohm. Similarly, you can calculate R2. So how much angle this is making? This is pi/3. So 2 pi minus pi/3. And that will become how much? 5 pi/3. So this will become how much? 5 pi/3. So its resistance will be how much? It will be 12 by 2 pi into 5 pi/3. So how much you are going to get? 10 ohm. Sorry, मैंने कहीं गलत किया. ये 2 ohm होगा, है ना? क्योंकि 3 into 2 6 से 12 2 times में जाएगा. This is 12 10 ohm. Overall अगर R1 plus R2 करो तो 12 ohm मिल रहा है. So our calculation is correct. Now R equivalent आप निकाल लो, दो पैरेलल में है. So 2 into 10 divided by 10 plus 2. So how much answer you are going to get? 20 by 12. So this will be how much? This will be your 5/3. So 5/3. Those who answered D is correct. Okay. I hope it is clear. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है तो बताओ. यस कम ऑन. या फिर कोई सजेशन है? मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा एक जगह पे लिख दिया. आई वोंट बी डूइंग दिस लेटर. ओके, डोंट वरी. Sorry. So now this is the question. Read this question carefully. You need hardly 1 minute, but again I'm giving you 1.5 minutes. Do this question and let me know the answer. क्योंकि I have discussed yesterday what you will do if capacitor is connected. देखो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है determine the charge on the capacitor in the following circuit. It is not said कि at equal to 0 or after long time. If nothing is given in question, it means it is talking about long time. ठीक है, तो जल्दी से मुझे आंसर बताओ क्या होगा. From Janvi Simoga name, I can see two accounts. One is connected to audio and video, but another one is not. सब कुछ ही बंद करके रखा है यार, क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, Purnima, you are getting option this one. Yeah, it's correct. Very good. Very good. Come on, others, please let me know. यूट्यूब पे इतनी खामोशी क्यों है? आंसर प्लीज. कामिनी, यस, वेरी गुड. Jamnagar, JNV Jamnagar. You need to reconsider, yeah. Check once more. Achal, it's correct. Very good. Come on, others, please. JNV Dahood, yes. Very good. Chalo, people are getting things. It's good. Come on, everyone else. JNV Shimoga, Pune, Nalgonda, Kolhapur, Kheda. क्या हो गया? सब सो रहे हो? It seems like you all have taken heavy breakfast and now you are in sleeping mode. क्या करना है यार? क्वेश्चन में क्या है? You are asked कि how much charge is there on the capacitor. Capacitor you already must have studied. You only need one formula, that is charge equal to CV. Done. So you need voltage. Yes, Kashish. So you need voltage across the capacitor after long time, right? This end. And in the yesterday class, I told you after long time, what will happen? Capacitor will behave like an open circuit. Open circuit, it will behave like, right? So after long time, if you're going to redraw the circuit, circuit will look like what? It will look something like this. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों होगा? Yes, आशिका, सही है. So यहाँ पे देखो, ये जो कैपेसिटर वाला आर्म है, that arm will act as an open circuit. So यहाँ पे ये open circuit की तरह होगा. Then that is why I've removed this arm. Now your circuit will look something like this. Now you can see here, this 2 and this 10 will become in series. Why? Because no current is going this side. It is acting as an open arm. So this 10 and 2 will be in series. 10 and 2 in series will be 12. 10 और 2 को जब सीरीज में जोड़ोगे, how much you will be getting? 12 ohm you will be getting. Now next diagram will look like what? This is 12 ohm and here it is 4 ohm. So these two are in series or parallel. This is in parallel. Now 12 and 4 in parallel. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry. These 4 and 12 are in parallel. 4 and 12 in parallel will become how much? 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12, that is 16. So it will become nothing but 3 ohm. So this whole will become 3 ohm and this 3 and 6 will be in again series. So 9 ohm and voltage is how much? 72. So current will be how much? Current will be voltage by R equivalent, that is 9. So it will be something like 8 ampere. So the current is 8 ampere, right? Sneha, you need to reconsider. So current is 8 ampere. अब यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ से current निकला, यहाँ पे आया 8 ampere. Just deal with this diagram. So here current is coming as 8 ampere. Here it is coming as 8 ampere. Now it will get divided into 4 and 12. So yesterday in the class, I gave you trick of dividing current in parallel combination. If there are two resistors in parallel. So if we have to calculate current through 12 ohm, what we will do, current through 12 ohm will be equal to how much? Total current coming to the junction, that is equal to 8 into, since through 12 we are calculating, we will write here 4 divided by 12 plus 4, that is 16. So this will become equal to how much? 2 ampere. So 2 ampere current is going through 12 ohm. 12 ohm means through this and through this, right? This is for 12 matlab this and this. So this side current will be how much? Here it will be 6 ampere and here it will be 2 ampere. So voltage drop across 10 ohm will be how much? Through 10 ohm, how much current is going on? 2 ampere. So voltage drop across 10 ohm resistor will be how much? 20 volt. So if voltage drop across 10 ohm is 20 volt, and this 10 ohm is in parallel with this capacitor, so it will also have voltage drop of how much? 20 volt. Done. So voltage is 20 volt. C is given 10 microfarad. How much charge will be there? So अगर आपको Q लिखना है तो C भी लिखोगे. C का वैल्यू कितना है? 10 माइक्रोफैराड. तो 10 को 10 लिखती हूँ, V को क्या लिखोगे? 20. So this will become 200 microcoulomb. So the correct answer will be 200 microcoulomb. JNV Jamnagar. Yes. I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to this question. Do it fast, everyone. Again, I'm giving you 2 minutes. ठीक है? तो 2 मिनट देती हूँ, 2 मिनट को सही से यूज करो, everyone. JNV पुणे, एक बार ध्यान से देखो यार. Look at it more closely. आपने आंसर जो दिया है वो सही नहीं है. Again, you just need to find out R equivalent. From there, you need to find out total current, and then you need to see which branch what current will go. Okay, so you can divide current very easily by moving on from down to top. कामिनी, कैसे आ रहा है यार सबका ये आंसर? This is too bad. इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन तुम लोगों को इस जो भी आंसर दिए हो तुम लोग, वो करंट उतना कैसे आ रहा है? सीरियसली, इट शुड नॉट हैपन. देखो जेएनबी सिमोगा, आई थिंक दे आर गर्ल्स, पूरा ही क्लास को बंद करके रखा है, वीडियो भी ऑफ है, ऑडियो भी ऑफ करके रखा है. यार क्लास में क्यों हो फिर? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो इफ दे आर बॉयज और गर्ल्स. जेएनबी पुणे नहीं, कैसे कैसे आ रहा है ये? सब उठक बैठक करो अपने अपने सीट पे खड़े होकर. पूर्णिमा, यस, वेरी गुड. जितने लोग आंसर दिए हो ना ऊपर, सारे लोग, सभी लोग अपने जगह पे खड़े हो जाओ और उठक बैठक स्टार्ट कर दो. जेएनवी जामनगर, यस. जेएनवी गोंदिया. किस आंखों से देख रहे हो यार? कौन सी आंख से देख रहे हो ये बताओ. आशिका, चलो डन है, तुम्हारा तो सही है. आंचल, तुम्हारा सही है. जिन लोगों का सही नहीं है, कान पकड़ के डेस्क पे खड़े हो जाओ, खुद को पनिशमेंट दो, नहीं तो एक थप्पड़ खुद को मारो. कशिश, यस. हाउ कैन यू गो रॉन्ग हियर? दिस इज सिंपलेस्ट क्वेश्चन. महिसागर, यस. चलो अब मैं ही करती हूँ. अलग लेवल के नालायक हो तुम लोग. यहाँ पे देखो व्हाट द सर्किट लुक्स लाइक. व्हेनेवर यू हैव टू सॉल्व सच लाइक circuits with more number of registers start moving from a back side. जहां या फिर उस point से move करना start करो where registers are clearly in series or parallel. Done. So here, if we start from this side, we can't say 3 and 8 are in what, right? We can't say 2 and 8 are in what. But we can clearly see here, if we are moving from the back side, we can clearly see that this 2, 4, and 2 are in series. They are in what? Series. Because whatever current is coming here will go through 2, 4, and 2. They are end to end connected. They are in series. So this 2 plus 4 plus 2, how much? 8 ohm. So this whole is equal to 8 ohm. Now, if this whole is equal to 8 ohm, and again here there is 8 ohm, है 8 ohm hai. So this 8 and this 8 are in what? Parallel. Now you can clearly see, hai na, they are in parallel. So 8 and 8 in parallel will become how much? They will become half. So it will become 4. And now it will look like ये दोनों मिलके क्या हो गया? 4. So this is 4. And it is connected to 2 and 2. And again, 2, 4, 2 are in series, right? So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8, again 8. If you are going to redraw this 8, so this is 8. Which one is 8? This one 8. So this is 8. And again here there is 8. So this 8 and 8 ohm are in what? Series or parallel? They are in parallel. So 8, 8 in parallel will become how much? 4. Again, you got 4. Sorry. तो यहाँ पे ये 4 मिल गया. अब देखो यहाँ पे सर्किट कैसा दिखेगा फाइनली. So circuit will look something like कुछ ऐसा. This is your 3 ohm and this is your 2 ohm and this 8 you are getting as 4. So this is the circuit. Voltage is how much? 9 volt. So 4, 3, 2, again there. Now this is a single loop circuit. Na? So all are in series. So 4 plus 3 plus 2. How much? 9. So R equivalent is how much? If you calculate, this is equal to 9 ohm and voltage is equal to how much? That is equal to 9 volt. So current will be equal to how much? If you're going to calculate the current will be equal to 1 ampere. So from here 1 ampere current will come out. So obviously across 3 ohm resistor, current is how much? It will be easily 1 ampere. It can't be 0.5 or 0.25. So net current will go through 3 ohm now. So it is 1 ampere. Now let's see current through 4 ohm resistor. 4 ohm is here. तो अब आपको यहाँ पे करंट देखना होगा. तो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? अगेन सर्किट में चल के देखते हैं. ठीक है, जो भी सर्किट यहाँ पे रीड्रॉन है, लेट्स मूव टू दैट साइड. तो सबसे सिंपलेस्ट सर्किट को पहले चूज करो. तो सबसे सिंपलेस्ट सर्किट मेरा ये है ना. मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट ये था. इसमें करंट कितना है? 1 एम्पियर. नाउ स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग. So here current coming is, just look to this circuit I'm discussing. This is 1 ampere. And here 1 ampere current will get divided into 2 resistors. They are 8 ohm and 8 ohm. They are equal. So current will get divided equally. Done. So this 8 will get 0.5. Now this, if this 8 is getting 0.5, it means here current is coming at 0.5 and here coming as 0.5. Again, यहाँ पे this current has 2 ways to go. One is this and another is this. Again, these 2 branches have equal resistances, 8 ohm and 8 ohm. So current will get divided equally. So 0.5 का equal division कैसा होगा? 0.5 by 2. That is your 0.25. ठीक है? So this is 0.25. And this 8 is what? This 8 is nothing but the sum of 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm. So here current coming is how much? 0.25. So through 4 ohm also current will go. Value of current that will pass through 4 will be 0.25. So current got divided as, here 1 ampere current came and here it got divided as 0.5, here 0.5. Again here it got divided into half. So how you can do the division? That is why I included 2 questions including division of current. Done. I hope it is clear. Chalo, now you need to look at this question. This question is very easy, but you need to look at it through the lens of your knowledge. Whatever concepts you have studied till now, you will solve it within minute. But I am again giving you 1.5 minutes to think over the diagram. तो जल्दी से बताओ क्या हो। सागर कैसे आ रहा है ये? पूर्णिमा सही है, कामिनी सही है। अदर प्लीज। कशिश यस। When you're sending answers now, send it as a direct message. मतलब directly send it to me, not to everyone. I'm saying. Mahisagar, yes. JNB Jamnagar, okay. Yes. Ashika, yes. Come on, others please. JNB Aurangabad, Anand. बहुत सारे लोग हैं। दाहोद, गोंदिया, खेड़ा। एक भी आंसर आई डिडंट गेट फ्रॉम JNB खेड़ा, Nalgonda also. JNB Simoga boys. Look at it carefully यार, कैसे मिल रहा है ये आंसर? JNB Simoga girls, they are still muted. In every way they are muted. दिमाग भी पूरा बंद कर रखा है हम लोगों ने। And I will be reporting this. They should not worry about it. Others please. चलो ठीक है, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू। देखो, अगर कोई भी थ्योरी नहीं लगाना, nothing else, by just looking at the diagram you can say current through each branch will be zero. How? Suppose you are calculating current through this branch, ठीक है, this 1 ohm branch. So we will try to see what is potential difference across this branch, because current is what? Potential difference by resistance, right? So यहाँ पे आप देखो, अगर मैं इस पॉइंट को A बुलाऊं, इसको B बुलाऊं, you can see here. Let's focus on point A. So what is happening? This point A is connected to two batteries. This is 2 volt and this is 2 volt. So point A is connected to the negative terminal of 1 2 volt and positive terminal of 1 2 volt, right? So what this batteries will try to do, so ये वाला जो 2 volt है, what it will do, it will try to make the potential of A as plus 2 volt, you can say, and it will try to make the potential of A as how much? JNB Jamnagar, yes, है ना? So ये प्लस, अगर अगर देखो बैटरी अगर ऐसा है, and if the potential difference is 2 volt, then we can say that potential of this is 2 and potential of this is 0, something like that we can say, है ना? तो यहाँ पे भी आप एक काम करो, ये वाली बैटरी पॉइंट ए को 2 वोल्ट कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है और ये वाली बैटरी ए पॉइंट को 0 वोल्ट कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है, सो ओवरऑल 2 वोल्ट। अगेन कम टू द पॉइंट बी, सो दिस plate will give it 2 volt potential and this plate will give it 0 volt potential. So overall addition of total potential of B will be 2 volt. So A has also the potential of 2 volt. B has also the potential of 2 volt. It means potential difference is 0, current will be 0. Similarly, you can check for each such point. You will get what? You will get their potential difference equal to 0. So if potential difference is equal to 0, current will be what? 0. So current in each arm is what? 0. ठीक है. Whenever there's so many batteries like this and resistance is connected, just try uh, giving that point potential based on to which battery it is connected. जैसे हमारे पास अगर एक सेल है, अगर ये 2 वोल्ट का है तो पॉजिटिव प्लेट को आप 2 वोल्ट कह सकते हो, नेगेटिव प्लेट को 0 वोल्ट कह सकते हो. Because when you are going to subtract, total potential difference will be 2 वोल्ट, है ना. या फिर एक काम और कर सकते हो, पॉजिटिव को 1 वोल्ट दे सकते हो, नेगेटिव को -1 दे सकते हो. Only thing is their difference should be equal to 2 volt if the potential difference of the cell is 2 volt. So 1 minus -1 will be 2. So this is how we divide potential between positive and negative plates of the cell. And this knowledge we should have actually for solving such kind of circuit. Okay, that is why I took this circuit so that I can explain you how you will be calculating the potential of points across register. Okay, anyone any doubt? Sneha, I feel like you're now clear about it. Is it done? Come on, yeah, let me know. Is it done? किसी को doubt in this question? Anyone? चलो ठीक है. पूर्णिमा, no. Okay. Now let's do this question. In the yesterday class only, I discussed horizontal plane of symmetry and vertical plane of symmetry. So if you're going to apply those two concepts, you will be easily doing this question. So do it now. I'm giving you again here 2 minutes I've given you. So do it and let me know. You have to calculate R equivalent across PQ. So a horizontal line passing through PQ will be horizontal plane, and the plane perpendicular to it, dividing it at the midpoint, will be vertical plane. Now try to see if the circuit is symmetrical around vertical plane and horizontal plane or not. And accordingly you solve. Question is too easy. Hello, I want answers from everyone. I hope you all must have gone through yesterday notes. I don't know. पता नहीं तुम लोग चेक भी करते हो या नहीं. बहुत डाउट है मुझे. Purnima, yes. It's too good. Okay, thank you. Very good. You are from which JNB? Yes, Kamini. Very good. Come on, everyone else. Sneha. स्नेहा, ओके. थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो रहा है. Which symmetry you are using? JNB Jamnagar. Yes, very good. Mahisagar, yes. I don't know how you people are not able to see this question. जैसे देखो ध्यान से देखो, we have to calculate R equivalent across PQ. So draw the line, horizontal line going through PQ. That will be what? That will be horizontal plane. Now treat it as a mirror. If you treat it as a mirror, then can you see that upper portion is the mirror image of downward portion? Can you see? जो भी अपवर्ड में पोर्शन है वो मिरर इमेज है ना, जो भी डाउनवर्ड में है. डन. So if yes, then this is following vertical plane of symmetry, right? Again, draw the horizontal plane of symmetry. Now draw a vertical line perpendicular to PQ and bisecting it. So this is the line, and this is horizontal plane, and this is your vertical plane. Again, treat vertical plane as a mirror. If we are treating it is at a mirror, we can see that left portion of the circuit is mirror image of right portion of the circuit. So again, it is following vertical plane of symmetry. So दोनों ही symmetry है यहाँ पे, HPS भी है और VPS भी है. Now use whatever concept is there, है ना. सबसे simple जो यहाँ पे use कर सकते हो and you can easily solve the question is in vertical plane of symmetry, we have studied that whatever point is there on the vertical plane of symmetry or vertical plane, that point will have equal potential. So these 3 points are lying on the vertical plane and they are symmetrical. So these 3 points will have equal potential. So if it is V, it is V, it is V. It means no current will flow in this arm, no current will flow in this arm, है ना? Because their potentials are same. I have discussed in VPS. Go through notes, please. So यहाँ पे देखो 2R है. This is 2R. This is R. This is R. And this is 2R. This is 2R. Now this is your 2R, 2R. This is R, R. This is 2R, 2R. And this is your Q and this is your P. So now you can see here, this vertical portions I have removed. Why I removed? Because through this no current is flowing, no current is flowing. It will act as an open circuit, so I have removed it. Now your question is like this. This is very simple, Anna. 2R, 2R are in series, so this arm will become equal to 4R. This will become equal to 2R, and again this will become equal to 4R. And all these 3 arms are in series or parallel. These are in parallel. So now what you need to do? 1 by R equivalent you will be writing as 1 by 4R plus 1 by 4R plus 1 by 2R. You just need to add these two. So 1 by 4R plus 1 by 4R क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R. So if you're going to solve it, how much value you are going to get? You will be getting as 2R plus R divided by 2R into 2R. So 1, 2, 1, 2 will get cancelled. And the answer R equivalent will be 2R divided by R plus R. So the correct answer will be A. है ना? So by using VPS, you can easily check कि question को कैसे किया जाए जहाँ पे confusion हो रहा है. Or either you can use HPS, whatever you feel comfortable, or whatever is coming in use. ठीक है? I hope it is clear. Now do this question. You all must have studied what is that called Wheatstone bridge. है ना? Wheatstone bridge में आपने क्या पढ़ा है? चलो मैं थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन कर लेना. So Wheatstone bridge looks something like this. मेरी डायग्राम बहुत गंदी होती है. I'm not good in art actually. तो यहाँ पे इस आर्म के थ्रू एक रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्टेड हो. करंट ऐसे आता है. This is R1, this is R2. This is R3, this is R4, and here galvanometer arm this is. Suppose its resistance is Rg. So for Wheatstone bridge to be balanced, what happens? R1 by R3 should be equal to R2 by R4. है ना? Balanced means in this arm no current will flow. So for that condition is this. How we are getting this condition? By using KVL. Done. So I just revised it. Now do this question. Take some 1.5 minutes and let me know the answer. Done. You all have studied current electricity in your CBC class now? Because I can see your syllabus coverage. It's already done, I guess. Anyone, if you can let me know, सारे स्कूल वाले जिन जिन के स्कूल में हुआ है, they can just let me know through either you can like click on some emojis या क्या क्या होते हैं वो सब, let me know. Okay, Jamnagar, Purnima, I got it. Mahisagar, ठीक है. जेनवी जामनगर, एक बार और ध्यान से देखो. What is given in the question? In the given circuit, it is observed that current I is independent of the value of resistance R6. It is not depending on the value of this resistance. It is only possible if this R6 is not participating in this circuit. है ना? यानी कि this branch is acting as an open circuit. It means no current is flowing through. जैसे क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है कि current in the circuit is independent of R6. Means R6 is not participating in the circuit. It means this arm is open arm. यानी कि अगर तुम इसको ध्यान से देखो तो ये तुम्हारा व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज स्ट्रक्चर है ना, यहाँ पे करंट इज कमिंग and it will get divided into two parts. This is your galvanometer arm and this is another two arms, है ना? And if no current is flowing through this, through galvanometer wala arm, then it will behave as a balanced Wheatstone bridge. And what is the condition of balanced Wheatstone bridge? Resistance ratio of adjacent resistances will be equal. Asika, yes. Now correct. नहीं आसिका, yes correct. इसका गलत बोला था जेनवी जामनगर. So what will be the answer? If it is balanced, then you can say that R3 by R1 will be equal to R4 by R2. So what you can write here, am I correct? R1, okay, this is one way we can write it. R3 by R1, I have written as R4 by R2. So R1, R4 is equal to R2, R3. Yeah, I'm correct. Yes, R2, R3. Somehow it's also lingering in my head like the option D is correct. D is wrong now. Yes. So R2, R3 will be equal to R1, R4. So correct option will be what? It will be C. Correct option is C. Okay? Chalo. Now this is another question again from Wheatstone bridge. Let me know what the answer you're getting. I'm giving you 1.5 minutes again. Mahisagar, yes, correct. Very good. Others, please. Purnima, yes, correct. Come on, everyone else. Just you need to know the condition of balance with a strong bridge, and that will help you reaching to the conclusion or reaching to the option, correct option. Let me know now. JNB Jamnagar, yes. मानसी, JNB सिमोगा, उस्मानाबाद, नालगोंडा, क्या कर रही हो यार तुम लोग? बस ऑन करके बैठे हुए हो। कोल्हापुर, खेड़ा, जामनगर तो बता दिया तुमने, गोंदिया, दाहोद, औरंगाबाद, आनंद, अश्विनी, आसिका, कहाँ गुम हो सबके सब? स्नेहा, JNB, आनंद, यस। चलो ठीक है, तुम लोग आंसर नहीं करते हो, ध्यान नहीं देते हो, क्योंकि क्लास में आई फील लाइक यू पीपल आर नॉट इन द क्लास. Videos turned off, audios turned off, obviously that is requirement, but behind the scene you people are simply sitting, not even listening, I guess, just talking among yourselves and just waiting for time to pass. And time will pass you, I'm telling you, that is going to happen. So in the circuit zone, P is equal to not R, the reading of galvanometer is same with switch is open or closed. Yes, Amrit, correct. Sneha, again you need to check here. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे जेनबी गोंदिया, यस। तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ये है कि रीडिंग ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर इज not getting affected even if switch AC is closed or open. Done. यानी कि current in this branch, this galvanometer is connected in this branch. This galvanometer must have certain kind of some value of resistance, so it has resistance RG. If its reading is not changing with switch S open or closed, it means current in this branch is not getting affected by whatever is there in this arm. Even if switch AC is closed or open. So this is only possible if this arm is not participating in the circuit. And this is only possible if this Wheatstone bridge is balanced. And if it is balanced, it means balanced अगर ये है, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? This is your galvanometer arm. So इसका मतलब सिंपल ये होगा कि whatever current is coming here, it is getting divided. यहाँ पे I1 गया, इधर I2 गया, suppose. So if it is balanced, it means this is open circuit. This is open circuit, no current will pass here. So same I1 current will go in this arm, and here same I2 current will go in this arm. So current in P and Q is same, current in R and G is same. So IR should be equal to IZ. Yes, Chenvi, Jamnagar, Ashwini. So the correct option will be what? Correct option will be your which is A. Done. So this is all for the today's class, and again I have attached homework for you to do. There are 5 or 6 questions there, so I will suggest you please go through notes. I will upload notes by today only. So please download those notes, go through questions that were discussed, and definitely through the homework question. तो जरूर ही जाओ तुम लोग और क्वेश्चन को सही से करो. डन, ठीक है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल डू द होमवर्क? बता दो, अभी बता दो मुझे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल डू द होमवर्क? सभी शांत है? अमृत, स्नेहा, पूर्णिमा, धनश्री, आशिका, अश्विनी, जैनवी, आनंद और सारे जैनवी। यस यस, चलो हाँ तो बोला कम से कम। ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा उपकार है तुम लोगों का मुझ पर। थैंक यू फॉर दिस फेवर। ओके, बाय बाय एवरीवन, टेक केयर एंड स्टे हैप्पी, कीप वॉकिंग, है ना। सही से पढ़ाई करो, इन्वेस्ट योरसेल्फ प्रॉपर्ली, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम फालतू में, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू। ठीक है, हेल्प योरसेल्फ, दैट इज द ओनली वे टू प्रोग्रेस। बाय बाय, टाटा, टेक केयर। चलो अब मैं फाइनली जा रही हूँ।